Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I got going on here. So if you notice here, we're at 1802, which if you look here at 180102, it says to start B. Now I have section B, A, B, and C labeled up here. Just want to show you. Exactly how to do this. This is real money. So 24 I missed. It's okay. Read that. Now what I want you to see here is the time as well as the time here. So these are all the numbers that are going to come up because this is a recording. I record everything. As you can see right here, we're going to win. I doubled it up because that's how you make money. You have to do a certain pattern in order to make money. Now as you can see here, there's different sections. Okay? It says C, A, C, B, A, C, B, A, C, so on and so forth. B, A, C, A, A, C. These are all the sections. And these sections are the lowest. These are the highest, which you'll see once we get up farther. Okay, now I just want to pause this for a second. So you saw that we won. And I'm going to go up here. Here you can see the different sections. For section A we have 3, 7, 9, 12, 14, 18, 20, 22, 28, 29, 31, and 35. So we have from here 3, 35, 12, 28, 7, 29, 18, 22, 9, 31, 14, 20. Now as you can see over here, 1 is the only one that doesn't have it. We leave 1 out. Okay, this is section B, all the way to 27, 33, 27. Section A, 6 to 26. Okay, now what we do is we monitor when they hit and when they don't hit, and then we bet when we have the highest probable chance of winning. So let me just zoom in here. You can see it goes up and down. I want to show you something a little bit crazy here. Okay. I'm going to show you where you bet. This was done right by the book. This is at 1810. So we go down to 1810. Okay, it's just after it. So we're starting C. Okay. And you can see that we miss. Now with C, it's nice because you can actually limit your bet. You don't have to bet as much because you're splitting the numbers 5 and 8, 10 and 11, 13, 16, 23, 24, and 27, 30, and 33, and 36, which covers from here all the way to here. You have a better chance of winning if you hit a bigger piece of the pie. So instead of betting 12 numbers that are all over the place, we're betting 12 numbers that are in a section. Now with numbers coming up multiple times, or the odds, you roughly have a 1 in 3. Obviously minus the 1 or the 0 depending on which way you go. But so we wait for it to not hit for several times. This program tells us when to bet. Once we know when to bet, we then bet on what we're supposed to, and then you see the results. I just want to show you though that you just have to have complete trust in the system. $18, $13. $15. You can see what's going to happen. 2 will be 32, 26. You can see that it raised my bet to $3. Now I did this because I came up with a program which you can kind of see right here. Okay. What you're supposed to bet, what your total losses will be, and what your wins will be. Now this is only for C. The other way you basically double it. I keep track of all the dealer names, keep track of the times, so that we can see what dealer gave us the best payout, at what times. Now, if you want all this data and you want this program, let me know. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and message me, and I will be happy to provide this program. Okay, as you can see, 26 hits, and we are at 18, 15, 26. I just missed the 5 and 8. It's supposed to be betting 750. You can see the numbers going down, down, down. That's okay, because we trust the system. 25. Just keep watching. I'm supposed to be at 1250. As you can see, 750, 1250, 2250, 3250. The cap out is $300. So $50 is the most you can bet. You can see the profits here. It's 35, we're at 1817. Now we're going to get a 5 and we're going to win. And then you'll see that we went from 357 up to over 740. Just like that, we win. 762. Now I want to show you this here. Okay, so what we started with, we were at like 6 something. You just keep slowly, progressively making your way up till you hit this. Trusted the system. That's what it got me. Now, if you want to see how to do this, if you want me to train you, let me know. I'll be happy to show you exactly what I did. I will also provide this. I have a roulette strategy guide as well as a basic guide. Feel free to message me.